Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add watermark to your Instagram Reels video. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, I'm going to use a video editor app to add watermark to my Instagram Reels video before I upload it to my Instagram. So we're going to use the InShot video editor app. You can get this application from Play Store if you are Android user, or you can get it from Apple Store if you are iOS user. I'm going to open it and I'm going to create a new project. Click on new and choose a video that you want to upload to your Instagram as your reel. And I'm going to choose this video guys. I'm going to upload this video for example. And for Instagram Reels, we need to choose this ratio, 9:16 ratio, okay, like this. And I'm going to remove the InShot watermark first. Okay, done. The InShot watermark has been removed, and I'm going to add my own watermark to this video. For example, I'm just going to add my username to the video as my watermark. You can select the text and choose text again and type something. Okay, I'm going to add this username and then I'm going to change the font. You can choose the font that you like guys. Okay, I'm just going to select this font and I'm going to place it here. Okay, and to make it transparent guys, you can customize the opacity. Go to the edit and you can choose this icon, the circle, and select opacity, and you can reduce the opacity to make it transparent. I'm going to make it around 40. Okay, done. And you can also add logo if you want. Okay, I'm going to make it align with my video. If you want to add logo, you can go to the sticker. I'm going to go to the sticker and I'm going to search Instagram logo. Wait, where is it? Let's just search. Or you can manually download the Instagram logo. Oh, there is no Instagram logo right here. So we need to download and upload the logo. Okay. And after that, you just need to click on export and then you can upload it to your Reels. Okay guys, and that's how we can add watermark to Instagram Reels. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.